Okay, now I'm gonna start the class. Okay.
My next scan is 49, 48, 50. Less 10.
Okay, Hansla. Tell me the first sound of job. What is the first sound of job? This is O, B, ob. The sound of O is O, and the sound of B is B, O, B, ob. Now I will make the first word with ob is job. What is the first
Job.
What is the first sound of job?
Job.
To write the yes. What is J? J is the sound of
30.
Job.
no. J is the sound of
Job.
which letter? What will I write first?
Ma'am, mine is done.
J is the sound of
Bye.
J. J is the sound of J.
Hanji.
The second sound of job is. Can you tell me, Hansla? The second sound of job is J. Then
Job. Job.
J. O. What will I write? J. O. B. J. O.
Job.
What will I write after J?
After J, what ma'am write?
O.
Very good, Hansla. J, O, and the last sound of job is? The last sound of job is?
Is.
B. Last sound of job. Look. Job. Job. The last sound of job is?
B.
Yes, very good. Job. 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 Everyone read with me. Job. Job.
Job.
Fajr, you are not reading? Yes. Job. 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 Ahil, you are not reading. The next word is, okay, Fajr, unmute your mic. Fajr. Yes, unmute your mic. Yes. Now, the second word is mob. The first sound of mob is, can you tell me what is the first sound of mob?
Mob.
What is the first sound of mob? The first sound of mob is? Hurry up, Fajr. Tell me. Mob. The first sound of mob is? Yes, what will I write first? Very good. Am. And the second sound? Ob. What will I write after am? Mob. Then? Then? O. Then? B. O. B. Mob. O. B. Mob. Okay, Ahil. Unmute your mic, Ahil.
आपको बताते हैं?
Ahil. The next word is rob. Rob. The first sound of rob is? Ahil, tell me the first sound of rob. Very good. What will I write? Is the sound of? Tell me. Is the sound of? Tell me. Is the sound of?
Be careful.
Ahil. What I will write first?
زور se bouton.
Very good. R. Then? Then? Ob. After R? After R, I will write O. Then? B. Ob. Job. Ahil. क्या हुआ बेटा? आप इधर पढ़ते नहीं है ना और शरारती करने में लगे होते हैं. पहले पढ़ लिया करें, उसके बाद फिर खेला करें, ठीक है? आहिल, आपने मुझे नहीं बताया. सब देख रहे हैं कि कितना गंदा बच्चा है आहिल, है ना? Okay, Huran. Unmute your mic. Yes, Huran. What is the first sound of rob is? What is the first sound of rob? Then, after yeah, yes. And then B. What I will write here? No, the sound of B is
G.
not G. Rog, not rog. Rob. Rob. Rob.
Rog.
No, not rog.
Rog.
Rob. B. Rob.
Rob.
Yes, rob. What I will write
Rob.
here? What I will write here? After R O, what I will write?
Rob.
What I will write? Tell me.
B.
Yes, B. After R-O, I will write B. Okay. What is the spelling of rob? R-O-B. Rob. 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 And then
Rog.
sob.
Rog.
Not rog.
Rob.
This is not rog.
Rob.
Yes, rob. The last sound is B. B. The last
Rob.
B. Okay, Ishal, unmute your mic. Yes, Ishal. Sob. What is the first sound of sob? What is the first sound of sob? Sob. Sob. The first sound of sob is?
Hop.
The first sound of sob is? Tell me, Vishal. The first sound of sob is? And the second sound of sob is? Sob. O and then B. Sob. Sob. Here, the middle sound is O. In job, in mob, rob, sob, the middle sound is O. Yes. Next one is now og. Og. First we had B and now we have G. Og. O with G. Og. G. Og. The first one with og is og. In log, we have the first sound of okay, Danish, unmute your mic. Yes, Danish.
एक मिनट
In log,
जो
the
मैंने
first
पूछी
sound
कौन
is
सी पूछ रही हूँ
in log. In log, the first sound is log. Log. What will I write first? Log. In log, what will I write first?
S.
No, log. Log.
L.
Yes, L.
Ma'am, L.
Yes, L. Then the second sound of log.
O.
O. Who is telling you?
Ma'am, no one.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. L, O. Now the last sound of log is
B.
not ba, g. Log.
G.
What will I write?
G.
What will I write?
G.
G. G is the sound of? G is the sound of?
G.
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 Log. G is the sound of? G. L, O, G. Log. L, O, G. Log.
Log.
O, G. Log. L, O, G. Log.
Log.
G. Log.
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 Ma'am, walk.
Now, dog. The second word is
The-
dog. Wait. Ibrahim, unmute your mic.
Dog. Dog.
Okay, Ibrahim, unmute your mic. Yes, Ibrahim, in dog, the first sound.
Okay.
In dog, the first sound is
Dog.
in dog, the first sound is
Log. Log.
no. I'm asking you that in dog, the first sound is the first sound in dog is dog. The first sound is
Dog.
tell me. See,
Dog.
the
Dog.
first sound is
The
the first sound is
Dog.
the.
The
What will I write first? Da is the sound of. Da is the sound of. Tell me, Ibrahim. Da is the
First
sound
is
of.
D, then
D.
O,
Yes. Then.
then O,
Then.
then
The last sound of dog is dog.
O.
The last sound of
G.
dog is.
G.
Okay. Yes. Dog. The next one. Ishal. Unmute your mic, Ishal. Yes, Ishal. In fog. In fog. The first sound of fog is. The first sound in fog is fog.
F.
The first sound. I'm not asking you to
Fog.
I'm not asking the letter. Fog. Fog. The first sound in fog is. The first sound in fog is. Yes, Ishal. The first sound in fog is.
Fog.
Yes.
Fog.
Is the sound of F. Then after F, I will write og. What will I write after F? विशाल, tell me. अच्छा, ये रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही होती है तो प्लीज कोई भी जो है वो सामने नहीं आया करे, ठीक है? जो मदर्स को रिक्वेस्ट है कि सामने कोई भी नहीं आया करे, ख्याल किया करें, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है और ये फिर यूट्यूब पे लगाते हैं, यूट्यूब पे अपलोड की जाएगी. ओके, इशाल. Okay, Ishal, tell me. After F, I will write F O G. O G. Fog. Fog. Fog.
F. G.
Fog. Fog.
Fog.
The next word is tog. Tog.
Fog.
Tog. 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 In tog, the first sound is tog. The first sound is t. The first sound is t. Then o g. Tog. 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 So everyone read with me. Everyone read. Look at the screen. Hanzala, Ishal, Aiza, Hanzala. Read it. Ibrahim, Danish, Zargona. Read. Huren. Everyone read it. L-O-G. L-O-G. Log. L. The first sound of log is L. then O, then G. Middle sound is O and the last sound is G. First sound is L, middle sound is O, then G. L, L, O, G. L, O, G, log. D, O, G, dog. F, O, G, fog. T, O, G, tog. Here, read with me now. J, O, B. यहाँ पे ब है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे ग है, यहाँ पे ब है. B है तो ब का साउंड आएगा. G होगा तो ग का साउंड आएगा, ठीक है? जॉब, जॉब. जॉब, जॉब. ऑब, मॉब. रॉब, रॉब. सॉब, सॉब. लॉग, लॉग. डॉग, डॉग. फॉग, फॉग. टॉग, टॉग. Again, read with me. Job, job. Ibrahim, Danish, Zargona, everyone read with me. Read after me. Job, Aiza, Hanzila. Hanzila, you are not watching on the screen. Be attentive, Hanzila. Job, job. Ob, mob. Rob, rob. Sob, sob. Log, log. Dog, dog. Fog, fog. Tog, tog. Okay? Job, job. Mob, mob. Rob, rob. Sob, sob. Here we have G sound. Log, log. Dog, dog. Fog, fog. Tog, tog. Now you can write the words. Open your notebooks. Open your English notebooks and write these words. The words with og. All of you, open your notebooks. Hurry up. Write these words. Okay, all of you, have you done your work? G. All of you, have you done your work? Okay, now this class is gonna end. After this, I will start new class, okay?